In May of this year, the government began to disburse funds under the COVID-19 Allocation of Resources for Employees Program, or the CARE program. The $10 billion CARE program was the government's answer to the economic impact of the novel pandemic on individuals and entities. However, to date, 35,000 Jamaicans are yet to collect the money from remittance agencies or banks. This revelation came out of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee on Thursday.
CARE Program Manager John Thompson was hard-pressed to explain to the committee why 35,000 Jamaicans have not yet collected the funds. He said that some of the bank accounts which monies were disbursed were in fact invalid.
Initially, we had over 100,000 invalid accounts, but we are still having significant challenges getting all beneficiaries to have their account validated. So that is one of the issues which has prevented a full payout. Secondly, persons who had selected to be paid via remittance companies, for whatever reasons, we still have over 10,000 returns from remittance companies. So it's a bit mystifying as to why over 10,000 persons would have been paid and not collected the funds, and that has just been returned, as the FS has commented on. So in general, the handling of payments has been extremely challenging, given the unbanked nature of the population.
PAAC member Juliet Holness gave some examples as to why some persons weren't able to collect the funds.
Many persons have complained that their inability to collect is they would have members of their family who are elderly, not able to move, incapacitated in one way or the other, ill, and the young member of the family, sometimes a teenager, would have completed the application for them in preparation to be able to pick up at a remittance company. And what they found is just not able to collect because I can't collect for my grandmother. Something from a justice of a peace is not working. And I remember one special case that I'm not sure even to this date it has been resolved. The person could not go up the stairs and there's no elevator and nobody to lift her up the stairs, and they refused to give it to her grandchild. So you do have persons trying to collect who still have an issue, and I think it would be best that we find some mechanism of giving them a help desk. So you can go on, log on, give your name, the remittance company that you're requested the funds go to, and the reason why you're not able to collect. Because our energy as government is really embedded in trying to ensure that all of the people who were genuinely needy and had applied are able to access the benefit that they sought.
A possible solution to the issue was for third-party collections. However, according to Mr. Thompson, some remittance companies are hesitant to go down this route.
The Cabinet had given an approval for third-party collection for persons 65 years and older. Maybe it's a communication issues. We have had our challenges with the remittance companies not wanting to pay out to the third party. But overall, it still is a significant challenge. A part of the uncollected 10,000 are persons who don't have a formal identification.
The PAAC was reviewing the secondary supplementary estimates on Thursday. Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.